In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a team showcase to your Wix website. Begin by logging into your Wix account and opening the website where you want to add the team section. Once you are inside the Wix editor, click Edit Site to start making changes. On the left side of the editor, click Add Elements, which is marked with a plus icon. This opens the panel where you can insert new content into your page. From there, choose Strip. Inside the Strip options, click Team to view the available team showcase layouts. Take a moment to browse through the team strip designs and find one that fits the style of your website. When you see one you like, drag it onto your page and place it in the section where you want your team showcase to appear. Next, replace the placeholder images with real photos of your team members. Click each image to change it, and upload or select the correct photo from your media library. After that, edit the text field so each person has the right name, job title, biography, and any other details you want to include. If you want to make the section more interactive, add buttons or social media links for each team member. This can help visitors connect with your team or learn more about individual roles and profiles. Once your content is in place, use the floating toolbar and the settings options to adjust the layout and display. You can change how the information is arranged, how much space appears between elements, and how the section behaves on the page. After that, resize and reposition the team showcase so it fits neatly into your website layout. Then customize the strip further by updating the background, spacing, fonts, and colors. Make sure the design matches the rest of your site so the new section feels consistent and polished. When everything looks the way you want, click Preview to check the team showcase before publishing. Review both the desktop and mobile views to make sure the images, text, and spacing all display correctly across devices. If you need to make any final adjustments, return to the editor and update the section. Once you are satisfied with the result, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.